Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've done a sit down video because I've really been enjoying doing vlogs recently. However, I thought I would do a haul because I was in literally desperate need of some new autumn clothes. I mean, I obviously cannot stay away from pink. So this haul is probably not going to look very autumn-like at all. But I basically ordered some stuff online, and then I also got some stuff when I went into town, so I thought I'd share with you what I've got from online and in store. I'm gonna have to see if this is recording now. So yeah, I really like this setup. I don't know if the background's a little bit boring because usually I have like a candle going or some fairy lights and it looked pretty, but I kind of like, I don't know. I'm going to start off by sharing with you the stuff that I got online. Now, I did get an email the other day from a company asking if they, I wanted to choose some stuff off their website, and I was like, wow, this is the first time clothing brands asked if I wanted to try any of their products, so I'm still yet to receive that, but I thought that it would be good to do a video where I kind of it's like a first impressions of the clothing, because I don't know, I feel like it might just make it a little bit more interesting. I have to film the other part of the haul and then edit it all together, so obviously if I look different and I'm wearing different clothing, then that's probably why. I really hope you enjoy the video, and if you'd like to see what I got, then please carry on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the stuff that I got from I Saw It First. Now, I don't think I've gotten anything from here before, but they had 40% off for students, so I thought, why not try it now? Because I'd seen some jeans that I really liked on the website, so it made them really cheap, but I just really hope that I like them, because that's going to be annoying if I don't. With these. Now, these are the things that I had been talking about, and I'd seen on the website, and I was this close to buying them, every time I went on the website. But then, for some reason, I just decided not to get them, because I'm really indecisive. They're basically some paper bag mom jeans. I won't lie, that waist looks bloody massive. They smell like chlorine. They're kind of cute. I like the distressed edge that it has at the top. It has the little belt that you tie that goes around the waist, and then also the bottoms. Bloody hell, they look quite big. The bottoms are also a raw hem as well, which I really like. They just look quite big, but I bought a size 10 because I'm usually a size 10 in jeans. However, the model was wearing an 8. And I don't know that maybe I should have gotten 8, because these are a mom style jean. And I've never actually had mom style jeans before. However, I'm probably going to roll up the bottom. I don't know, we're going to have to try them on and see, but yeah, this is going to be a try and haul, because obviously there's not really much point showing you it like this, because it looks like a sack of potatoes like that. So yeah, that's the first item. I can't remember, maybe if I get the email up it might tell me how much everything is. Usually £25, but with the student discount at the time, I think what's 40% off 25? Should we just do some calculation? So these were actually £15. Now for a pair of jeans, they feel really soft, so I'm hoping that they're going to be quite comfortable, and obviously because they're not skinny, they're not going to be uncomfortable in that sense, so I'm very excited to try these. However, I'm a little bit worried that they're going to be a bit too big. Okay, so I'm not really too sure what to do about these. I don't know if they're a bit big, but I did have to tie the waist quite tightly. But I don't know if you can see, I've rolled up the hems that they just look huge around my ankles. they feel comfortable. Like, I don't know if I want to like send these back and then get the 8 for then the 8 to be too small. But I'm not sure. I don't really know what to do. Like, does it? I definitely feel like I should be working on the farm right now. But I don't know. Like, are they too big? Can you please let me know? Because I've never tried mom jeans before. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to the style of them. But I don't know, I think the colour, I really like the colour of the jeans. I feel like they're going to look really cute with like pink, hence the jumper. Okay, the next thing I have is this. Now I'm quite excited about this because I've never had anything like this before. Basically this cute little jumper thing. Now I feel like it's kind of not cold enough to be wearing like massive knitted jumpers, so I thought why not try something like this. It's basically like a little high neck jumper but with no sleeves. I've seen a girl on Instagram wear this, and I think, I can't remember her name, but she looked really good in it and I thought I would give it a try. It feels pretty soft, like it kind of feels like the material that's going to maybe shrink in the wash, and it looks quite see-through, but I don't know, I'm going to try it on. I feel like it'd look really nice with the jeans that I got as well, so yeah. And this was supposed to be £10, I think I got it for like £6 or something ridiculous like that. Okay, so I just put this white top on. I'm not too sure if it goes very well. I feel like I'm going to need like a tight top to go into these jeans. I've got this little bag. The handle's actually broken again, which is really annoying. I need to get some to fix it, but I think like the pink with the cream and the blue look quite cute. I like kind of how far the jumper comes up, like it's not too much. And I like the fact that it doesn't have sleeves because it means it can kind of keep you warm, but you can still wear a jacket at the same time. I feel like sometimes with like massive woolly jumpers you can't put a jacket on over the top too, and especially when I'm at uni I get really sweaty, so I think this top's going to be really good for uni, and I think it's really cute, and for £6 I think it's bloody amazing. These are some pleated culottes. Now they're looking really like they do need an iron. I know like you're not supposed to iron pleated things, but I mean they just look obviously where they've been packed up, but the colour's like completely different to what I thought it was on the website. This is what they're supposed to look like. I don't know if you can see, but I might just insert a photo. The colour's like completely different. Like completely different. They are described as camel coloured culottes, but in the photo it's like more pink. Basically they come down. I quite like the what do you call these? The hem, like how they kind of like flow out. So maybe these are going to look nicer when I try them on, but I mean I'm not crazy about the colour. I feel like it's just a bit plain. But I mean it could look nice with that white jumper. These were £10, so again these with a student discount it was £6 for these. I'm going to have to try them on before I make my mind up, I think. But yeah, a bit disappointed, but I mean, how do I know until I try? A bit harsh on these trousers at first. They actually look really nice, and I love them with this rib top that I got. You can't see the buttons, but they're massive, and I like the fact that they're flowy and like just really, sorry, just touched me really. They're just really comfortable. They feel quite thin. Probably not going to be the best for winter, but autumn I can probably like withhold the cold in these. But yeah, I think they're actually really nice. I mean, they weren't the pink that I was hoping for, but I think the colour's still quite cute, and I just love this jumper. I think that it goes really well with like everything, and I love the fact that, look at that, can you see this? Okay, so the last thing I got, yeah, it's quite cute. This little pink jumper. Now, thought I ordered it in a small, but apparently they sent a medium, so who knows if this is actually gonna show my boobs. But I love the colour. I think it's a really cute pink. It's quite a bright pink, like the jumper I have on now, which is actually from H&M and it was like £9, is more of like a softer pink, whereas this one is definitely more vibrant. I feel like it's going to be an off the shoulder kind of jobby because, I mean, that's pretty wide. So yeah, I think this is also £10. So again, it was £6. Yeah, it feels soft, and I'm gonna try it on and see how like I could style it. I guess it could go with jeans or a denim skirt, but yeah, I think it's quite cute. Yeah, so the knit is very rough, and I'm not gonna lie, it does look quite cheap, but I mean it was, so I can't really complain. I like the kind of off-shouldery thing. I think it looks quite cute. And I like how the wrists are like quite tight and it kind of like bags a little bit. I probably won't wear it with these trousers because the coloured contrast is just too bright. But I think it's cute and it would look nice with jeans. Props those jeans, to be fair. Yeah, I think this is cute. I mean, I props wouldn't buy it if I'd have seen it in the shop, but I mean, that's what happens when you shop online, right? So that's everything I got from I Saw It First. Next thing I got was actually from Topshop. Now you may have seen this in my vlogs, but basically I bought this roll neck from Topshop because I'd seen it on the website and I was literally in love with it and thought that it's like really classic and like it's just gonna go with everything and it's gonna be a massive help in the winter when I am freezing my tits off. But yeah, it's just a basic knitted roll neck and it's in the colour Oat. I think they do it in some other colours as well. I did get a size 6. Now I never would usually get a size 6 ever, but this looked really big and it was either a size 6 or a 10, and I tried the 6 on and it fitted like really well, and it is quite oversized but I really like it. It does keep you really warm. I kind of like the fact that the sleeves are quite big and not like tight and fitted, but I've basically just been wearing these with like culottes and like tucking it up into my bra to kind of like make it look less massive, but yeah, I really like it. This was £30 I think, which you may be thinking is quite expensive for a jumper, but I mean it's really soft and it feels like really good quality, so yeah, I think it's really cute. Another thing that I got was this fluffy jacket. Now this is also from H&M. I did actually get this to go to Creamfield, so I've had it quite a while, but I thought I'd include it because it's quite an autumny, wintry piece. I do have a massive grey fluffy coat. However, for this time of the year, I'm probably going to be pushing the boat out a little bit too much if I did wear it because it is massive. So I thought getting one like this is probably going to be probably better for the time of year. So fluffy, so it doesn't look, this one kind of looks a bit more casual, and I've just popped this over like a casual outfit if I'm going into town, or even if I'm wearing like joggers and I'm feeling really cold, I'll just pop this on. It's not buttoned, it's like, is it hook and eye or something? But you can do it up. I think it looks quite cute undone. But yeah, I just really like the dusky pink colour and it makes an outfit look really cute and cosy. From New Look, I got this. Now, again, I got this from Creamfields, however, I feel like I'm probably going to use it quite a bit, like if I'm going on day trips with uni, or if I go to London, I think this might be quite handy. It's basically a bum bag. If you didn't know, it's supposed to be like the Gucci one, isn't it? But Krista's not going to go and spend like £800 on a bum bag when I can get this one for like £13. It's got like a belt thing, so you can, if you have like belt loops on your skirt or jeans, you can kind of like thread it through. I really like the colour of this. Again, it's pink, so why wouldn't I like it? And it obviously has the gold detailing, and then I think that's quite spacious. I mean, this is probably like the size of like a crossbody bag, but yeah, I think it's really cute and it really wasn't that expensive. and I just think it's really pretty and will go with basically my whole wardrobe, because my whole wardrobe is pink. I thought I'd quickly show you the bum bag. Now, I love it. I think it looks really cute. It does look quite bulbous, I won't lie, but I mean, it's bloody handy. Like, if you just need to rummage for like your camera or money, it's really handy. And obviously, like, putting your phone in and out, you don't have to full on go into like a rucksack. And yeah, I think it looks cute. I also think it looks quite cute, these trousers, to be fair. Finally, from Primark, I got these. Now, I'm not too sure how I feel about them. My mum liked them and I thought that she would hate them, but they're basically just massive sunglasses. I mentioned in my latest vlog that I wanted some more wintry sunglasses instead of having like the tortoiseshell ones, and I thought these looked quite funky, and they were 50p from Primark. Like, can I ask for anything more? Basically, the story behind me wanting a pair like this was because when me and Sam went to Bristol, I tried on a pair of sunglasses in Harvey Nichols, and they look really nice, and Sam was like, oh my god, they look really nice on you, they really suit you. However, they were Dior and they were like £280, and I obviously wasn't going to spend £280 on some sunglasses at this point in my life. I went into Primark and knew I would find something, because for some reason everywhere has taken away their sunglasses and thinks that the sun just disappears when summer's over, but it actually still comes out a little bit, you know? I wasn't too sure, I mean, if they were a little bit too big for my face, because I feel like I'm just now all forehead and no bottom half of my face, but I don't know, I think they would look cute. Okay, so that was the end of the first section of the haul. I'm gonna do like an outro for this, just in case I don't end up doing the other part of the haul and including the other stuff. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I do love filming hauls. I love styling everything new and seeing what outfits I can come up with. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you next time. And do let me know what other videos you'd like me to do, or if there's any other places that you think that I should try for clothes. So yeah, bye!